What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video where we will be discussing a topic that is very popular in the fitness community, cutting versus bulking. If you're someone who's been working out for a while, you've probably heard these terms thrown around a lot. In this video, we'll be going in depth about what these terms mean, their pros and cons, and which one is better for you. What is cutting? Cutting is a term used in the fitness community to describe a phase where you try to reduce your body fat percentage while maintaining your muscle mass. This is usually done by following a calorie deficit diet, which means consuming fewer calories than your body needs. The idea behind cutting is to lose body fat while preserving your muscle mass. A typical cutting phase can last anywhere between 8 to 12 weeks. Pros of cutting. The most significant advantage of cutting is that it helps you achieve a leaner physique. By reducing your body fat percentage, you can reveal the muscles that you've been working hard to build. This can be very motivating and can help boost your confidence. Another advantage of cutting is that it can improve your overall health. By reducing your body fat percentage, you can decrease your risk of developing several health conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure. Cons of cutting. The biggest disadvantage of cutting is that it can be very challenging, both mentally and physically. Following a calorie deficit diet can be very restrictive, and it can be challenging to stick to it for an extended period. You may experience hunger, fatigue, and lack of energy, which can affect your overall mood and productivity. Another disadvantage of cutting is that it can lead to muscle loss if not done correctly. When you're in a calorie deficit, your body may start breaking down muscle tissue for energy. To prevent this from happening, you need to make sure that you're consuming enough protein and doing resistance training regularly. What is bulking? Bulking is a term used in the fitness community to describe a phase where you try to gain muscle mass by consuming more calories than your body needs. The idea behind bulking is to provide your body with enough nutrients to support muscle growth. A typical bulking phase can last anywhere between 12 to 16 weeks. Pros of bulking. The most significant advantage of bulking is that it helps you build muscle mass. By consuming more calories than your body needs, you're providing your muscles with the nutrients they need to grow. This can help you achieve a more muscular and stronger physique. Another advantage of bulking is that it can improve your performance in the gym. By consuming more calories, you're providing your body with more energy, which can help you lift heavier weights and perform more reps. Cons of bulking. The biggest disadvantage of bulking is that it can lead to an increase in body fat percentage. When you're consuming more calories than your body needs, you're also consuming excess calories that may get stored as fat. This can be frustrating if you're trying to achieve a leaner physique. Another disadvantage of bulking is that it can be challenging to manage your diet. Consuming more calories than your body needs can be difficult, especially if you're not used to eating that much food. You may experience bloating, indigestion, and other digestive issues. Which one is better for you? So, which one is better for you, cutting or bulking? The answer depends on your fitness goals and where you're currently at in your fitness journey. If your goal is to gain muscle and strength and you aren't concerned with gaining a bit of fat in the process, a bulk may be a good choice. On the other hand, if you're looking to lose fat and maintain muscle, a cut may be more in line with your goals. For individualized guidance, consult a registered dietitian. Bulking and cutting are two complementary strategies that bodybuilders often use, one after the other, to gain muscle and lose fat. While each comes with some notable benefits, there are several potential downsides you should keep in mind. To decide which strategy to start with, assess your current body composition and long-term muscle and strength goals. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for similar videos like this one.